Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Revit tutorial how to add railing to stair. So we have this example stair, and if you want to add railing, you can use these railing tools. Click on drop down menu and then choose place on stair or ramp. You can click and you can select the stair. It will be automatically generated for the railing. I will click again for railing tools, place on stair, and then I will click at this stair. It will be generated for the railing. Waiting, and for the next I will create again in this stair. Okay, that's it for a basic Revit tutorial how to add railing to stairs. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.